गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू सॉमिस इंस्टीट्यूट बैक अगेन। एंड गाइस, ऑफ कोर्स आप पूछ रहे होंगे अभी तक मैं खुद से नहीं आ रही थी। आई वाज डूइंग ओनली स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग। सो गाइस, आई एम बैक एंड ऑफ कोर्स आपको टाइटल से तो पता ही चल गया होगा दैट आई एम बैक विद सॉमिस स्टोर स्लिंग बैग्स कलेक्शन। एंड ऑफ कोर्स आपको वो कलेक्शन बहुत पसंद आएगा। एंड ऑफ कोर्स इस अब जो मैंने कुछ चेंजेस किए हैं अपने वेबसाइट पे, पहले एक ही हेड्स होते थे पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट्स के, फॉर एग्जांपल सॉमर स्टोर्स बैग कलेक्शन, बट नाउ आपको उसके अंदर अलग अलग कलेक्शन लाइक क्लचेस, स्लिंग बैग्स, हैंड बैग्स, टोट बैग्स, ऑफिस बैग्स, अलग कलेक्शंस मिल सकते हैं। एंड सिर्फ बैग्स के लिए नहीं, और भी प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए मैंने कुछ चेंजेस किए हैं और चेंज कर रही हूँ, सब हेड्स क्रिएट कर रही हूँ। सो गाइस, आई होप यू लाइक दी कलेक्शन। एंड मैं क्लिपिंग अभी आपको आगे दिखाने जा रही हूँ, सो प्लीज़ स्टे ट्यून एंड वॉच दी कलेक्शन। आई होप यू लाइक इट, बहुत रीजनेबल है एंड ट्रेंडी प्रोडक्ट्स भी हैं, सो आई होप यू मस्ट चेक आउट। सो गाइस, स्टे ट्यून। वेलकम बैक, दिस इज सौम्या संस्कृति। सो एज यू नो, ये वीडियो सौम्या स्टोर स्लिंग बैग्स के लिए है। सो एज यू कैन सी, मैंने फीचर्ड कलेक्शन में भी यही दिखाया है, सौम्या स्टोर स्लिंग बैग कलेक्शन। सो you can also check it here. Also you can check it here. There are so many different hats, and also you can check it from She Accessories, so Mr. Cho's bags collection, and you can tap sling bags and other variations, whatever you want to check out. So here we are at sling bags collection. So okay, let's check all the new products which I've added. So apply. So okay, so as you can see, I've added so many sling bags here, right? आपको काफ़ी कलेक्शन देखने को मिलेगा. So let's check this one, the first one. Right, you can check the pictures. There's a quantity option, and add to cart and buy it now, right? Little information, and you may also like products, right? So let's go back. These are the products which I've added very recently, so I hope you like it. Let's check this one, trendy floral sling bag. Right, there's only one photo, but you can ask for more pictures, right? You can contact through Summer Store's Facebook page or also on Instagram. मैं लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी, सो वहाँ से आप मैसेज कर सकते हैं. Please and do follow Soma Store's Facebook and Instagram page. So let's go back and check the other product. Okay, as you can see, इस product के colors option है. So let's check this one. Under 600, so there's only one picture, the information, and let's go back. Right. Okay, let's check other products. Okay, let's check. Let's check this one. So it is a designer white PU embroidered sling box for women. The box shape, information, more products, right? Also we can check. Okay, let's check this one. Women's regular size textured multicolored canvas sling bag. Okay, sorry. You can check different pictures, right? Information, and you may also share it with your friends so that you can ask for suggestions. Or if you like the product, you can share it with your friends for fulfilling your sister goals and friends goals. Okay, that's a trend thing, but if you like, you can share it with your friends. So this is one of the products. You may like this one, right? These kind of bags are also very spacious. I mean, no, if you want to keep a few many things, but necessary items, then you can put it. So of course, now let's check this one. It's a sling bag come handbag type. So you can check there's one single pocket and inside pocket is there, but it's little deep. You can check the more info here, down here, right? So then a little different category product or different shade or different brand product. Of course, these shape bags are also getting popular. It's a little unique and different, looks good, right? Variation of those products, I mean in different prints and colors. Round bags, right? Let's go and check more. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, there's only one picture, but certainly you can ask for more pictures. Sometimes we are able to load only one pictures, and right. So you can also check out the product on my Instagram, which I post time to time, and also on Facebook. So okay, let's check this one. Right. This is under 1600 variations, different prints. So as you can see, there is a huge range of and different kind of sling bags available, which you can choose from. The round bags, right? Materials are different. These kind of prints are also getting popular, like matching with your some of your suits and the color tone, right? So you can choose from these many. Right. So I hope मैंने आपको काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाए हों. You can also check this one. जैसे जब आप चेक करेंगे, you can check. Okay, a little different shape product. Right. You can check the information here. Right. Now let's go back and check again from here. All right. So अभी हमने new products. I sorted the products from new to old, which I have posted. You can also check best selling products all alphabetically from A to Z or Z to A, from price high to low, low to high, old to new to old. So you can also check low to high. So you can check the lowest range, and you can also check the highest range from here, right? And you can check out the availability. You can check out the prices. The highest price is already given, so you can choose the price range. You can check the product type. So right, so let's go back. So I hope you like the collection. You can sort the products according to your feasibility. You can check from low to high, from high to low, new to old, old to new, so as you wish. And I hope guys आपने मेरा सौम्या स्टोर्स का न्यू सो आई होप गाइस आपने सौम्या स्टोर्स का न्यू लुक चेकआउट कर लिया. और इट्स वेरी इजी. ऑफ कोर्स प्रोडक्ट सर्च भी इजी हो गया है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. एंड ऑफ कोर्स पहले ड्रॉप डाउन भी इजी नहीं था, बट नाउ ड्रॉप डाउन इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. यू कैन चेक द कलेक्शन हियर, एक्सेसरीज एंड the subheads under this, and same way with other heads, right? So it's become little easy. So as I told you about Instagram, so you can check products there also. And you will be directed to uh, this page here. So these are the last posts which I've added. You can choose the product and do this add to cart thing, right? and go to the bag option. You will get the product here. So it's as easy as simple. When you check the link on Instagram, which is given in my Instagram bio, check the products from there and tap on shop it option. You'll be directed to this Instagram feed shop page, and from there you can of course go for checkout. So guys, now there's also Somya Stores application which you can install. उसका भी link मैंने नीचे description में दे दिया है. So guys, I hope you like this video. So please stay tuned, guys. Thank you. Guys, I hope you like the collection which I've just shown in the screen recording, and of course उसकी link मैंने नीचे description box में डाल दिया. So उस link पर जैसे आप टैप करेंगे आप उस collection पे redirect हो जाएंगे. And of course guys, Somya Store is on Facebook. फेसबुक पेज आप फॉलो कर सकते हैं ऑन इंस्टाग्राम पे भी आप प्लीज़ फॉलो कर सकते हैं. एंड प्लीज़ फॉलो करिए. मैंने दोनों के लिंक्स नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दिए हैं. प्लीज़ गाइज शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है. गाइज द स्टैंडर्ड डिलीवरी इज़ 7 to 11 days, and of course there is cash on delivery possible, and of course returns and refunds भी possible हैं. So guys, yeah, there is one collection जिसमें COD and is not possible, but yes, most of the collections have a COD and returns and refunds possible. So guys, I hope you like the collection, and अगर आपको guys, you can securely check out with either Razorpay or you can do cash on delivery. And guys, अगर आपको कोई क्वेरी है तो आप मुझे फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू मैसेज कर सकते हैं, इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे सोम्या स्टोर्स पे मैसेज कर सकते हैं. ऑफ कोर्स you can comment on the video itself if you want to know something. So guys, I hope you like it. And guys, as for now we know that situations are turning good. काफ़ी population vaccinated हो गई है. So of course जो young adults हैं जो 18 above हैं, they're getting vaccinated, they're getting first doses. I hope you get the first dose if you are a young person. And don't skip it guys, it's very necessary. And please take care of your family. And as we know there are some news, so please stay inside, keep your mask on, and of course sanitizer is a must, so keep it with you. So guys, I hope you like the collection. Please don't forget to check out the link below in the description. आपको आप डायरेक्ट हो जाएंगे. And कोई क्वेरी है तो प्लीज़ आस्क आउट, कोई भी क्वेरी हो. सो प्लीज़ गाइज, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन. इफ़ यू लाइक द वीडियो प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, एंड छोटे से बेल आइकन को टैप ज़रूर करिएगा जिससे कि आपको आगे की वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए. सो गाइज, एंड प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली. एंड गाइज, स्टे हेल्दी एंड स्टे काम. तब तक के लिए चलो.